Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Jamaican English. We'll begin by exploring the foundational elements of this vibrant language. You'll discover how to grasp its distinct sounds and rhythmic patterns, which are crucial for effective communication. We'll also cover essential greetings and everyday phrases, giving you a solid starting point for conversations. Get ready to dive into the rich linguistic landscape of Jamaica and build your confidence. Next, let's focus on mastering pronunciation and expanding your vocabulary. Jamaican English has several sounds that differ from standard English, so dedicated practice is key. We'll guide you through these nuances, helping you articulate words correctly. You'll also learn a core set of vocabulary words covering various aspects of Jamaican life, from delicious food to cultural expressions. Consistent listening and repetition will significantly improve your fluency. Now, let's delve into the grammar and sentence structure of Jamaican English. You'll find that verb conjugations are often more straightforward than in standard English, which can simplify your learning process. We'll explore typical sentence patterns and how words are arranged to convey meaning effectively. Practicing the construction of simple sentences will help you articulate your thoughts naturally. This step is vital for building coherent and authentic conversations. Finally, consistent immersion and daily practice are paramount for fluency. Seek opportunities to converse with native speakers, whether online or in person, to refine your skills. Watching Jamaican films and listening to reggae music, perhaps with subtitles initially, will deepen your understanding of context and slang. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Regular engagement will solidify your learning and boost your confidence significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.